We're going to do a bumblebee breathing. This is what my daughter calls it, and it's a kid's terminology, but I think it's very good in making you understand how to breathe and be one with your breath. So what you will do is expand your belly towards the front of the room as you inhale, and then as you exhale, make it sound like a bumblebee. So it's inhale, belly button expanded towards the front of the room, and exhale, bringing in your belly button slowly and humming. Let's do it together. Breathe in, expand your belly button towards the front of the room. And bring your belly towards your spine. Bumblebee. Let's do it one more time. This actually helps with your throat chakra. It opens up your throat along with sending vibrations throughout your chakra system, all the way through the root system, all the way to the third and crown chakra. It really allows you to let go of any pent up, unspoken words. It wakens all the chakras up and really allows you to be one with your breath. So, once you're ready, roll over into tabletop position. And here, as we're on tabletop, make sure that your feet are untucked, your knees are hip width apart, your hands are shoulder width apart, your spine is straight, your crown and your neck is lengthened towards the front of the room, and your gaze is forward. And breathe in and breathe out. You could actually use a bumblebee breathing here, so breathe in and breathe out. And now we're going to go into cow pose. As you inhale, drop your belly button towards the mat. Bring your tailbone up, your gaze and your chin up. So you're going to look like a little hammock. So inhale here, and then exhale, drop your tailbone down, round your spine towards the sky, bring your chin onto your chest, and exhale. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Drop your tailbone towards your knee into a child's pose position. You could either, depending on how you feel and how it feels best for you, you can either widen your knees towards the outer edges of the mat, or be in the same position of hip width apart and just drop your tailbone towards your heel. Extend your arm to the front of the room into child's pose. And breathe in and breathe out. Allow any tension to just be released by truly relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your head onto the mat. And when you have a moment and you feel ready, place your head side to side so that way you can slightly and very softly massage your third eye so you can waken it up. Walk your hands towards the back, towards your knees. Tuck your toes and lift your tailbone up towards the sky into your first downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal your feet up and down and move your hip around if that feels good, or side to side, whatever feels comfortable for you. Just make sure that your tailbone is the highest point of your downward facing dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Literally, let your body awaken. Feel the motions. See what it brings you and what it has brought you all these years. Nice. Go into plank position. So shift your weight forward into a plank. So straighten out your legs, your spine, your neck and crown towards the front of the room. And hold here. Make sure that your belly button is touching your spine, because that's going to help you and release the tension from your lower back. And now we're going to go down into chaturanga really slowly into 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Untuck your toes and allow your legs, your feet to your legs and your hips to melt onto the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, and then as you inhale, lift your chest up towards a cobra. Oh, feel the stretch. And this is a college cobra. They call it a college cobra. And drop. Tuck your toes. Bring your tailbone up towards the sky. Pedal your feet and walk towards the front of the room. Your feet towards the front of the room. Into forward fold. Bring your hands up towards the sky into extended mountain pose. Breathe in and exhale into heart center. Your hands should be heart center. Bring your hands up towards the sky again into extended mountain pose. And if you want a little bit of a back bend, allow your fingers to reach slightly over your head. Just slightly over. Breathe in. And as you exhale, bring your hinge at your hip and go into forward fold. Halfway lift. Bring your hands onto your chins. Straight back. As you inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Bring your hands up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your hands to your side of your thighs into Tadasana. Palm facing forward onto the front of the room. And really really ground yourself here. So it goes like this. Shift your weight over. Lift your left foot onto your right ankle. Once you feel grounded and ready, lift your left foot onto your right thigh or onto your pelvis. So you look like a little tree. Breathe in, and once you're ready, bring your hands up towards the sky into an extended tree pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And release. Now, balancing poses, what it does is that it allows you to really expand on the strength of your brain or on the control that your brain has over your body. It truly is an executive skill process, which it trains your body or your brain to understand how it can control it and how it can actually do anything, really. So it's an amazing pose, or poses, because there's many, but it really truly allows your brain to understand, oh, I'm in control. I'm in total control, and I am one with my breath. So breathe in and breathe out. Again, once you're ready, bring your right foot onto your left thigh into a tree pose. Either hold your hips here or extend your hands up towards the sky into extended tree pose. Breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in and breathe out. Hold it and say, I can. I am in control. I am in control and I can balance. I can do this. I am mindful. I am one with my breath. Bring your hands down towards the side and your feet or your right foot down to the mat. And inhale, Tadasana. And exhale, hinge at your hip into forward fold. Allow your belly to rest at your thigh in a fold. And again, we're going to do a vinyasa. And so it's here. Plant your hands onto the mat. Bring both of your feet to the back of the mat into a plank position. And to chaturanga. 1, 2, 3, 4. Untuck your toes. Bring and lift your chest up towards the sky into a cobra position or upward facing dog, whichever you choose. And release, exhale. Come into downward facing dog. Walk your feet towards the front of the room. Into forward fold. And when you have a chance, come onto your sitting position. Fantastic. This is staff pose, and your legs are straight. And you're holding it here. Breathe in and breathe out. Raise your hands up towards the sky. Palm facing each other. Bring your belly button towards your spine. Engage your thighs and your quads as much as possible for them to yearn towards the mat. And then bend over into an extended forward fold. Hold your feet with your hands or your shins or your toes or your heel, whatever feels comfortable. And inhale, and as you exhale, come closer to your thighs. So you're pulling yourself towards your thighs. This is great for lower back. And to stretch out both of your extremities. I love this pose. Release back to center. Come into your back. Allow your body to melt onto the mat. And really take 2 breaths here. And once you're ready, come to the side that feels more comfortable with you. So bend your knees. And lower your knee to the right or left side, wherever feels comfortable for you. And once you're ready, start getting up slowly. And come into your easy seat. Sukhasana. And breathe in. Belly towards your feet. And breathe out as a bumblebee. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. The light in me may be the light in you. Maybe you be with your divine or yourself. Know that you're worthy. Know that you're loved. Namaste.